brand new 2022 Harris Grand Mariner, completely redesigned. 25 feet. Tower. Bimini top. Front Bimini top. .400 horsepower Mercury Verado. Tri-Toon lifting strakes, underskin liner. Beautiful boat. SL seating, the safety stanchions, deep reaching boarding ladder. Docking lights on the front, pop-up cleats. Let's jump inside. See the fender holders on the safety stanchions, extended swim platform, ski tow bar. Again, the SL seating, walk-through gate for safety. Raised helm, digital throttle and shift. Capacity for 12 people. Upgraded steering wheel. SIMRAD dual screen glass dash. JL audio. Seaweed floor. With the triple tune, you get in-floor storage. Really nicely equipped boat.